G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name is Ashley Rowan and I'm a financial advisor with Consortium Private Wealth. In today's video we're going to be looking at the disability support pension and what's involved in the application process and a few handy hints and tips to get you started. Before we start, however, a quick advice to disclaimer to state that this is just general information only, and we do recommend you go and consult with a Centrelink professional or a qualified financial advisor to get further assistance. We'll be covering what is the disability support pension, the eligibility to apply for the pension, the application process itself, through to some alternate payments that if you do not qualify for the disability support pension, there may be some other options available to you, and where to begin and how to seek help. Now, what is a disability support pension? Well, it's in fact financial assistance that if you're unable to work due to physical, intellectual or psychiatric conditions. Now, this is a payment to help you maintain financial security all the way through to pension age, which at that point in time you may be transferred across to the age pension system. To be eligible for the disability support pension, you need to meet both non-medical and medical rules. Now, the non-medical rules consist of you need to be between age 16 and the age pension age when you claim, you need to meet residency rules, and you need to meet income and assets tests. Now, in terms of the medical rules, there's two criteria here. You need to meet either the manifest medical rules or the general medical rules. Now, these are quite complex and it's a little bit out of our hands as financial advisors because you will need to get medical assessments completed. And if you do qualify on the medical side of things, that's a big step towards being eligible for the pension. Now, the application process itself can be quite difficult and time consuming. However, to do a pre-assessment, I would probably suggest going to the Services Australia website, and you can see the URL listed in front of you on your screen there. And I've taken a few screenshots over the next few slides just to give you a bit of an indication what that website looks like and an actual pre-assessment that you can conduct to see if you qualify based on the non-medical rules side of things. So as you can see, before you start, there's actually a bit of a few step-by-step process. It is quite efficient. It's based on that website I mentioned before, and it is a great first point of action if you're considering applying for the payment. There is a number of questions as you skip through. It will then determine your eligibility by the end of the questionnaire, and the slides go for about 6 or 7 slides, so quite efficient. Once you're from there, you do need to load up a MyGov account, access the Centrelink side of things, and begin the claims process via that method. So, heading to this website first to determine, your some form of eligibility here, then heading to MyGov to begin the actual formal process. Now, if you can't get the disability support pension, there are other payments that may be suitable. So, for example, if you're out of work and you're under age pension age, you can potentially apply for the job seeker payment. If you're providing care, if you help provide daily care to someone who is frail, aged, ill, or has a disability, the carer payment or even the carer's allowance may be suitable. When you're aged between 21 and 24, the youth allowance may be the best option. Now, what you need to do is visit Centrelink, do your online research to see if you qualify for payment. It is a potentially very difficult payment to get your hands a hold of. There's a strict medical criteria to be eligible, and the medical side of things unfortunately is out of our hands. Obviously, with advisors we can help determine from an income and assets test point of view, but when it comes to completing the medical assessments, that's where you need healthcare professionals. So first point of contact, visit Centrelink, do your online research, and have a yarn with your financial advisor who could probably step you in the right direction. Hope the information was valuable. Thank you for listening.